hustlers, did you know that people are making hundreds to thousands of dollars by just creating and selling ChatGPT prompts? Yes, you had it right. AI is not just for chatting. In fact, it's a jackpot waiting for you. So hustlers, let's head over to Google to see how much money we'll be making from this side hustle. So if you come to Fiverr and type in social media marketing ChatGPT prompts, which I've already done to save time, but don't worry, I'll be leaving the links to everything in the description. And if you come here, and we will see this one is actually the Fiverr's choice, and he's selling from $10. This one is also from $10. Disclaimer, you don't have to do this side hustle in social media marketing. It came to my mind. I think it's because I've been working in social media marketing for a while, and this one is selling, this creator is selling from $5. And if we scroll over, we can find this one is selling it from $15, and this one is from $40. This one is from $25. And if we head over to Prompt Base, which is like the #1 marketplace to sell your prompts, and let's head there and do the same. Type in social media marketing ChatGPT prompt. Again, you don't have to do it in social media marketing. And so let's zoom in because I don't think you can see it. So if you come here, we'll see that here on the prompt page are selling prompts from $3.99. This one is $3.99 and it's social media influencer. This one is selling social media content idea from $3.99. It's just, mind you, it's just one prompt, and this one is, imagine if you end up writing like 100 prompts. So a quick bonus, let's head over to Etsy and see what the creators they are making. And again, I'm leaving the links to all these platforms in the description below. Okay, so if we come here on Etsy, we will see that this one is selling like 150k ChatGPT prompts, and he's selling them from $5, but this is a discount, 75% off, and usually it's $20, and he's selling it, there is a discount, he's selling it on a discount of 75. So basically they're selling them on a discount. And a quick of tip, if you're selling prompts or any digital products on Etsy, make sure that you're selling them in bundles. I'll make a whole video about that. So hustlers, you can see from Etsy, Prompt Base, Fiverr, that this side hustle has a demand and a market looking for it. So in professional terms, a prompt is a careful structured input that guides ChatGPT to generate most relevant and quality responses. But that's so boring, right? I tried to memorize it, but I ended up failing. So which is why we are going to create our own less techy but more practical definition of what a ChatGPT or AI prompt is. So think of the GPT prompt or any AI prompt as your way to tell AI to get you what you want. As simple as that, right? Speaking of which, it's important to note that ChatGPT or any AI you might be using is as smart as your prompt. So type like a boss. So hustlers, now that you know what a ChatGPT prompt is, it's time to create a best-selling one. So how do you go from this to this? Oh, it's easy, and I'm here to show you how to do it. All we're going to need is the Bright model. So before we go any further, I would like to do a quick shout out to Alexander Morad. He's actually the owner of this. He's actually the owner of the Bright model, and he happens also to be one of the most recognized AI experts. So the Bright model, I know it might sound a bit confusing at first, but allow me to break it down for you. So the B stands for brand, while the R stands for role, and I stands for instructions, and G stands for goal, H stands for how, and T stands for target. So now you know what the Bright model is. Let's use it to create our best-selling prompt. Let's turn the basic prompt into a best-selling one using the Bright model. So for the purpose of this video, I'll be using this prompt. Write me a video description for my YouTube video of how to make money online. So basically this prompt is vague because it tells nothing about your brand or what you want. Yes, of course you want a description, but is that all you want? So hustlers, let's use the Bright model to fix this. So first off comes the B, which stands for the brand, and it's going to sound like this. You are a YouTube content creator focused on helping people to make money online using ChatGPT. So you see, your brand is engaging, informative, and value-driven, appealing to the Gen Zs and millennials who are looking for side hustles and passive income opportunities. I like this. So basically you've told ChatGPT about your brand and everything. So next up is the R, which stands for role, and it's going to be like this. The role is to write a high converting YouTube video description that is one, SEO optimized, engaging, and targets action, which is watch time, likes, comments, and subscriptions. So the I stands for instructions. Oh my god, how I love giving instructions to AI. So the instructions are like, start with a hook that grabs attention in the first 2 lines. Explain what the video covers in a clear and concise way. Use relevant keywords to boost search visibility, such as how to make money with AI. Include a call to action like subscribe for more money making tips. Drop a comment if you're trying this, or download my free guide in the description. Add timestamps for easy navigation. Provide useful links, which could be affiliate links, social media, freebies, or courses. Next comes the G, which stands for the goal, and the goal is to maximize one video reach, engagement, watch time, while driving viewers to subscribe, like, comment, and explore additional resources. You see. And next is the H, which stands for how, and it's going to sound like this. Use conversational, energetic, and persuasive tone that resonates with online hustlers. Make it scannable and easy to read. Short paragraphs or even bullet points and emojis where necessary. Optimize with relevant keywords for YouTube's algorithm. And the last but not least, is the T for target. Your target audience includes aspiring entrepreneurs, freelancers, students, and anyone looking to make money online using AI and ChatGPT. The description should motivate and guide them while making them feel like they have found the ultimate side hustle hack. So hustlers, that's how you craft a best-selling prompt using ChatGPT. A fun fact, that prompt that we just created is the one I used to create the description for this video. So check it out and let me know what you think about it. Now that you know how to create best-selling prompts and you have your prompts ready, it's time to market them and sell them. So hustlers, that's one of the many ways you can start making money with ChatGPT starting from today. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you never miss a video from me. Before you go, I'm giving away my top 5 best-selling prompts, and for free, just check the description down below and grab them. So that is it, hustlers. See you in the next one.